Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss about how to solve or how to find a quadratic polynomial, each with given numbers as the sum and the product of its zeros respectively. If suppose sum and product are given, of zeros are given, then how to find a quadratic polynomial, how to form a quadratic polynomial. In the previous video we have discussed the formula also. Fine, so we have discussed that formula, how to find if the roots are given. Here you can see, the formula for quadratic polynomial. Fine, so here you have to apply this formula, px x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. For the cubic polynomial you have to apply this formula. Fine, so here we are going to use in the first question it is given minus 1 by 4. So basically it is nothing but the sum. What about the product is 1 by 4, so we can write alpha plus beta. That we assume that alpha and beta are roots of a polynomial, so we can write alpha plus beta equal to how much? Minus 1 by 4, right? And what about 1 by 4? 1 by 4 is nothing but a product, that means alpha beta is equal to 1 by 4. We can write. Fine, we can write this much. Now we have to form the polynomial. So formula we know that px equal to x square minus alpha plus beta whole into x plus alpha beta. Fine, so here you have to just substitute the values. So we know this is x square minus alpha plus beta, we know that is minus 1 by 4. Just you have to substitute into x plus alpha beta is 1 by 4. So we get it as how much? X square plus 1 by 4x plus 1 by 4. So basically we can conclude that this is the required polynomial. Otherwise you can take the LCM also, so that you will get in the similar way. Now going to the second question. So here you can see there are 3 numbers, right? So this is basically for the cubic polynomial. Fine, so cubic polynomial, first thing, so first you have to identify the what is 2 here. So 2 is basically is nothing but what we can say that is sum of this thing. So alpha plus beta plus gamma, we can say that is how much? 2, right? We can say that is how much? 2. Then what about the other things? Then we know that what is 1 here, that is nothing but alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. So that is nothing but what? 1. Then what about the last number? That is nothing but the product of all the roots, that is given. Okay, so fine. So 2 is nothing but the sum of the this thing, roots are given. Fine, sum of the zeros are given. Then sum plus the products of the zeros are given, then only products are given, that is 1. Fine, this all values are given. Now how to form the cubic polynomial? We know the formula, that is nothing but p of x is equal to x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus, right, plus what you have to write? Plus basically you have to write it as how much? Then alpha beta plus beta gamma, then what? Gamma alpha you have to write, into x you have to write, then minus alpha beta gamma product of the roots you have to write. Fine, so this much you have to write. Then what you have to write is that x cube we know, you have to write it as it is. Then alpha plus beta plus gamma is nothing but what? 2, right? So 2 into what? X square plus product and the sum combination is given, that is we know, we have to just substitute that value, that is 1 into, we can say, x, right? Then what else is given? Then alpha beta gamma products are given, so we can write it as minus 1, right? So products we have to just substitute in this formula. Fine, now what you have to do? X cube minus 2x square plus x minus 1. So this is the required cubic polynomial. So whenever the sum of the products or the roots of the some of the products or this thing are given. If suppose this thing, all the required things are given, so that you can just substitute and find the required polynomial. Fine. So this procedure you have to follow.